Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside your open project. Make sure your clip is imported and the playhead sits exactly where the link asset should appear. Once done, tap the plus button and choose Media or Shape to create a layer that will hold the link. You do this because Alight Motion doesn't support clickable URLs directly, so you simulate a link visually and add interactivity via export or platform overlay. Make sure layer duration matches clip timing so the link appears at the right moment. Now create a clear link element. Add a text layer and type the URL or call to action, or use a shape with a button label. Then animate its appearance with keyframes so it fades or slides at the correct time. This draws attention and feels interactive. You should position it inside the safe area so platform overlays don't cut it off, and add stroke or shadow for readability. Once animated, preview playback to confirm timing and visual clarity before exporting. Finally, export the project as MP4 or MOV at your chosen resolution, because Alight Motion video files do not carry embedded clickable links. Once exported, upload to your platform and paste the real URL in the video description, pinned comment, or platform card so viewers can click it. You do this to pair the visual call to action with a functional link. Troubleshooting tip: if viewers report the link isn't visible, check safe area and re-export. If clickability fails, ensure you place the URL where the platform allows links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.